Varicose veins are twisted and enlarged veins, usually found on legs. Excessive pressure on the veins, especially when standing and sitting, is the main reason for the enlargement of these superficial veins, but heredity also seems to have a major role. Since legs are the farthest extremity from the heart, it requires extra effort to pump the blood up the veins in the leg and back into the heart against gravity. This is done by the calf muscles. There are paired valves in these veins to prevent backflow of the blood, but as the veins lose their elasticity and become dilated, these valves fail. This results in blood getting pooled in the veins, causing them to twist and bulge out. Varicose veins are seen more often in women and in people who have to work in a standing position for long hours. Pregnancy and obesity worsen the condition. Gentle massage. Blood pooling in the veins is one major problem that exacerbates varicose veins. It causes the lax walls of the veins to expand and get twisted, impeding the blood flow further. Formation of blood clots is another risk. It always helps to keep the legs at a slightly elevated position while sitting and lying down to allow the venous blood to flow towards the heart. But massage is a more active way to increase blood circulation, although it should be administered very gently in people with varicose veins. Compression. Applying uniform pressure on the legs with specially designed compression stockings is a tried and tested remedy for varicose veins. Loss of elasticity of the blood vessels and their consequent enlargement reduces the efficiency of the venous valves trying to stem the backflow of blood. The gentle, yet consistent pressure compresses the veins, reducing their diameter. This helps the valves to work more effectively to prevent the backflow. The additional mud packs. Applying a mud pack to varicose-affected legs may help reduce vein enlargement. Significant reduction in pain is often reported after mud pack treatment. Fine clay such as Fuller's Earth is best for mud packs. Mix the clay with water and apply to your legs before going to bed. In the morning, wash the clay with warm water and pat the area dry. As the clay dries, it contracts. Dietary support. Research indicates that an increase in homocysteine levels in the blood can damage the lining of the blood vessels and increase the risk of thrombosis and varicose veins. Deficiency of B-complex vitamins, B6, pyridoxine, B9, folic acid, and B12, cobalamin, in particular, is known to elevate homocysteine levels. Alcohol consumption also has a similar effect. All vitamins should ideally be supplied to the body through food, hence, foods rich in B6, folate, and B12 can benefit people with varicose veins. Increasing activity. The heart pumps blood into the arteries, but its return to the heart from the legs is aided by the movement of the calf muscles. That is why sedentary lifestyles are bad for varicose veins. When you have this condition, standing and sitting for extended periods should be avoided. Walking is a good activity since it boosts blood circulation, even though the veins in the legs have to carry the blood upwards against gravity. If you have a desk job, it helps to take frequent breaks to stretch your legs and move around a bit. Place your legs on a stool. Horse chestnut. Horse chestnut extract obtained from the bark, leaves, flower and the seeds of the plant Aesculus hippocastanum is one of the most popular herbal remedies for varicose veins and other circulatory diseases. The active ingredient is essan, which is vasoprotective, inhibiting the enzymes that cause damage to the walls of the blood vessels. Essen has an astringent quality that constricts or shrinks body tissues, including blood vessels. The vasoconstriction obtained through the use of horse chestnut extract is as good as the effect produced by compression stocking. But the benefit of this herbal remedy goes beyond that. The blood-thinning property of horse chestnut increases circulation. Grapeseed extract. The tiny seeds inside grapes contain antioxidant substances, including several types of flavonoids, linoleic acid, and vitamin E. Oligomeric proanthocyanidin complexes, OPCs, are another powerful set of antioxidants with well-known vasoprotective properties. They prevent free radical damage to the walls of the blood vessels. They also promote the formation of collagen, a protein that helps maintain the elasticity of connective tissues and strengthen the walls of. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is rich in vitamin C and flavonoids. They protect the walls of the blood vessels from free radical damage and promote collagen formation to keep them healthy and elastic. But the most potent substance in cayenne pepper is capsaicin, which has anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and blood-thinning properties. Cayenne pepper powder can be orally taken to reduce the pain and inflammation due to varicose. Pine bark extract. Pine bark extract has been studied extensively, especially the proprietary product pycnogenol registered trademark extracted from the bark of French maritime pine. It contains many phenolic acids, flavonoids, and proanthocyanidins that bestow a number of beneficial effects, including visible reduction of varicose veins and associated inflammation. Oral intake of pot marigold, Calendula officinalis. Pot marigold is an age-old remedy for almost all skin problems. Although varicose veins are not really a skin problem, they can give rise to itching, dryness, eczema, dermatitis, and ulcers. For quick relief of these conditions, make an infusion of the pot marigold petals in boiling water and use it for warm compresses. Or you can also soak Goto kola, Centella asiatica. Commonly known as Indian pennywort, this ground-hugging herb from the Orient has been used as a popular varicose remedy for thousands of years in India and the Southeast Asian countries. The herb extract or dried herb powder is taken orally to treat venous insufficiency. Apple cider vinegar. This is one of the easiest, yet effective remedies for varicose veins. Apple cider vinegar has astringent properties which help shrink swollen veins and restore their plasticity. You can use apple cider vinegar both externally and internally. For spot application, just dip a washcloth in apple cider vinegar diluted with equal amount of water and place it over. Witch hazel. This Native American herbal remedy has been helpful to many people with varicose veins. The tannins in the extract give it excellent astringent property, which helps in constricting the distended veins and restoring their natural elastic nature. Witch hazel has excellent anti-inflammatory properties. Treating varicose veins with essential oils. Essential oils are concentrates of the active ingredients found in medicinal plants. Although more expensive than aqueous extracts and tinctures, it is easy to carry around and use in any situation. A little goes a long way, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to invest in a few essential oils that can bring relief from chronic problems like varicose veins. 14 Essential oil of helichrysum. This Chamomile oil. Chamomile is soothing and relieves the heaviness and discomfort resulting from throbbing veins, especially after. More essential oils that work. Lavender and rosemary essential oils have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Cypress oil constricts blood vessels and tightens tissues, promoting the upward flow of blood in the veins. The essential oils of juniper berry and pine also offer